Social activity of the Algorand post now. Take a look, guys. Of course, I don't think so. This is correct data about 2020, 2022, right? Because a lot of people posted here the content about the Algorand in 2021, when we hit the new high. And take a look what happened recently, guys. Take a look at this activity. The people start looking some altcoins. I don't know how it works, but only after the fact, after when the coin is pumped. So here, nobody care about ALGO. Social post active 881, right? Less than 1K. After that, the Algorand skyrocket, right? To 46 cents from 10. So 30 cents pump. And here, 3.5K posts, social posts active. It's kind of mind-blowing how, and why people not looking the opportunity to buy or accumulate some token or the entries, why they start talking about the assets when it's too late. That's why now the social activity, it's absolutely at lowest point. Even here, it was over than 900 active posts, right? Now it's 232. It's just mind-blowing how it works. The seasonality, for the Algorand. So we closed the April 70% up. March, it was 6% up. So May, guys, usually May, only 2 times was the positive, 10% and the 5%. Previously in 2021, of course, it was it hit the top in 2021 here. In April, here, 93, 56, 33%, and this one, 2%, and dump in May after the Shiba Inu reset. You remember when the China banned the crypto, we dumped at 33%. Now, last 3 years, it's like minus 28, minus 18. 2024 was pretty good one, like 5%, and 2025 was like minus 11. After that, the June also all the time was red. That's why I think, I repeat again and again, I think the main price movement on ALGO or other altcoins will be till the meeting of Donald Trump and the CCP in 15 May. We got like 2 weeks, I think, of altcoins performance. And after that, unfortunately, we go into deeper correction. Some altcoins already perform pretty good ones, some not that good. That's why for ALGO, now it's like a boring chop market. So we got like impulse on a daily time frame. Definitely, we break the structure, so everything good, right? But to talk about a break of structure on the weekly, we need to, I don't know, we need to break this high. Or at least this one. So 14. So we drop, but still not break it. So the structure is still the downtrend structure. That's why the most positive case scenario, guys, for the Algorand for the next 2 weeks, if some miracle happen and we go directly to the take profit line, it's 26 cents, 13. After that, I think more likely June will be like a previous one. So maybe in June, it's going to be the green one, but June, I think after the positive on the market, I think going to be red. So it's my take, right? Take a look. By the way, it was a good performance, like 284%. So in November, and after that, I still believe, guys, the main targets for ALGO is still relevant. It's not just because I hold this token or something. No, I just think it will be like one of not so many token which will reach the main targets. And it always follow the XRP and the H-bar. That's why I think the Algorand is here to stay. Locally, we saw the impulse. This fib is relevant here. This one, alerts, still in play, not trigger it. This 3-1 neither. And we tested several times 0.5 level fib. The futures entry, if some dump will happen, this is 896, 861. It's my futures entry, for the algo with second leverage or 5x, for example. Buy line on a daily now, it's 6 cents 56, new historical all-time low. I don't think so. We're going to dump that low. That's what we already retested, a buy line. That's why I think would be good, just to be honest, to hold the line here. So something like, so impulse, correction, and impulse. So this is it. Take profit line also not tested, it's 12.94. Exit line is 14.55. It's a break of structure on the weekly. And take profit line I showed you. Take a look at the liquidation heat map, guys. This is a 1 week time frame. So like you can see, the main liquidations is about the 12 cents 14. Under it's 10.78. 10.78. A little bit here, so like a daily gap. So I would not surprise if today or tomorrow we're gonna close this gap, right? Hold the line at 0.5 and go higher. That's why under there's no like K levels. 2 weeks, if we get an option to see the liquidate, it's a futures, of course. It's a futures liquidations. Here. This one is 10 cents. You know, I don't think so. We're gonna drop to 10 cents because it's so easy, right? A lot of people all the time, they add the limit orders to buy the round numbers, right? That's why I don't think so. It's gonna be too easy. Give it the chance for the people who just missed the opportunity to buy the Algorand. Just add the limit order at 10 cents and price dump, order fill it, and you write to the I don't know, even to 20 cents in November. Easy, 100% easy. And you know, of course, it looks like, oh, it's not a big deal, 100%. But guys, for us, like retailers, it's not a big deal because we invest, like, for example, like 3K, 5K, 10K, maybe someone invested it, maybe someone invested $100, you know, and when you get like 1K profit in a year or in a half year, it's not that feeling, right? So you're not satisfied. But imagine if you just accumulate algo with 500,000. Some whales accumulate, or some wallets accumulate 500,000, and you accumulate it now in April, for May, for example, and in November you got like a double X, and you got 500,000 from the air, money from the air. That's the point, guys. Why this cycle absolute total different one when the institutional finally here. They don't care about a 5x, they don't care about a 10x. They just chase double X, 3x, and more than happy. That's why for the futures, this is irrelevant. Well-time frame. Well-time frame. Usually when we build something like this one, it's for continuation. You know, like impulse, correction. We build that type of triangle, if you can, if you love to call it. And the target is definitely 1564, the size of this triangle. So it's around the 16 cents. So this is it. My take, I repeat again, I hope to see the Algorand at 25, 26 cents, right? This May. It sounds weird. It's from now over than 100%. It's possible. But we will see. We will see, of course. Monthly time frame, guys. Unfortunately, there is no data for take profit indicator. If we reject, you know, and go down, guys, it's going to be the price discovery zone. Fortunately, everything under 8 cents, we can even drop to the 5. That's why the gaps. There is no gaps. So one and only gap is here. That one at $1.26. Do I believe in $1.26 from now? No. Firstly, we need to at least go to the 1450. After that, to test the yearly open on 25, sweep the 33 cents, and maybe one day we're gonna reach the $1.26 if everything will be okay. But who knows? Weekly time frame looks more positive. We just stay in the range like between the buy line and the fundamental value. Fundamental value now it's 982. Let's take a look with direction, markets, more money power here. No money outflow. Last week it was the signal to buy confirmation on the direction indicator, right? Previously it played out better than now. Still disbelief, so there is not even close from A3, not even hopium. Hopium, it's a green zone. So I'm bullish about Algo, but keep in mind the seasonality for the June. Of course, it's not unnecessary, so it's have to repeat again, but most likely it will. And last trade on, no signal to sell yet. Again, here was a buy, no signal to sell yet. Daily was a sell, buyback. I added alerts to the take profit signal from that sales. So everything's still in play. Write any comments. What do you think about Algorand? If you'd like to trade as my customer, what you want this views, write in the DM. Don't forget, join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.